The OnePlus Nord is a 5G ready phone and it comes with 4 rear cameras and 2 front cameras. It is available in grey ash, grey onyx and marble blue colors. The phone is available in 2 variants to choose from: 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage and 12GB RAM plus 256GB storage. It comes with dual SIM slots. OnePlus Nord has a 6.44-inch fluid Amoled display with 2400 by 1080 pixels resolution and 408 pp pixel density that delivers vivid colors and clarity. The 90 Hz refresh rate, the display is smooth and responsive. The display features Corning Gorilla Glass 5. The phone comes with face unlock and in-display fingerprint sensor. OnePlus Nord has a quad rear camera setup. The 48-megapixel main camera comes with optical image stabilization to reduce blur and shakiness from photos. It also comes with a nightscape mode that lets you capture brighter photos even in low light conditions. It comes with a 32-megapixel plus 8-megapixel dual front camera with an ultra-wide angle view. The phone runs on OxygenOS based on Android 10 operating system. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 7655G mobile platform octa-core processor improves the CPU speed while the Adreno 620 GPU enhances your gaming experience. The phone runs on a 4115 mAh battery. It also comes with Warp Charge 30T that charges the phone from 0 to 70% in just 30 minutes. The box includes handset, screen protector, Warp Charge 30 power adapter, Warp Type-C cable, quick start guide, welcome letter, safety information and warranty card, brand sticker, phone case, SIM tray ejector, highest SAR value and plastic recycling card, Red Cable Club membership card. The product comes with standard brand warranty. For EMI options, refer to product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 7 days replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product